In the coming weeks, dairy and beef farmers will be looking to purchase possibly breeding bulls for their herds. And this is just a short video to demonstrate how to use the Stock Bull Finder tool on ICBF. The bulls on the Stock Bull Finder are essentially from our whole herd performance recording herds. These are essentially herds that have a herd visit annually from an ICBF score, where the pedigree animals are weighed and scored every year. So just to give a quick demonstration how this actually works and how easy it is to use. So look, we'll just maybe put in a county search here. You know, you can search near and far from home. So look, we'll just look at Northwest on this demonstration. Might have an interest in a particular breed or maybe multiple breeds, but look, just for the purpose of the video, let's examine one breed here. And then on the beef side, look, I might just be looking for, you know, a replacement bull. I might also be looking at a bull that's good in terminal index. And I just put in a couple of criteria there, and I'm just going to hit search there now and see what happens. So look, as you can see, there is Charolais bulls meeting that particular criteria. To look at the contact details of the breeder are there, the weight is there. And if I want to look at further detail on the particular bull, just simply click on the tag number here on screen. And you can see here the overall index is here, and you can see straight away the bull is also genotyped. So I'll just check out possibly breed a dairy farmer may be looking for maybe in the coming weeks. Obviously Angus will be the main one, and Hereford, etc. So look, we'll just type in Angus for the sake of this purpose of the video. We'll just search county there. Just might pick out Leinster County. And then on this side we might just put a dairy beef filter of 4-star on it. I see, you know, there's bulls that are coming up straight away, and I just might want to make sure that, you know, their age 1 to 2 years. And again, the details of the bulls pop up here, the contact details of the breeder, the weight, and the calving details come up here as well. So look, that's just very quickly and effectively how the Stock Bull Finder can work. And again, if you click on the full tag number, the full details of the bull open up, and again you can see the bull is genotyped. And again, you can alternate it here to have a look at the dairy beef index here values on the bull as well.